Traditional Cook Island medicine has always involved a number of different plants and practices. Cimtech has identified one group of plants that involves regenerative effects on the skin, and another group of plants that involves regeneration of bone injuries and bone healing. My name is Graham Matheson. I'm the founder of Cimtech and I'm the Chief Scientific Officer. I grew up in the Cook Islands through primary school and high school, and I was part of the Cook Island culture where we learned a lot about the traditional dance, traditional practices, including a lot of traditional medicine. When I was studying in Australia, I did my medical degree at the University of New South Wales and included a research project at the Surgical and Orthopaedic Research Labs.
What convinced me to move forward with the Cook Island project was initially my desire to understand how bone heals and how we can improve it. And it also offered a unique opportunity to look at something that was extremely novel. And considering Graham had been my student for not only undergraduate but master's, this led perfect into a postgraduate PhD project.
A friend of mine who played rugby with me had actually a nasty fracture of his leg. His prognosis here from our standards was that he would be lucky to walk and very unlikely to run again, let alone play sport. He went back home and got treated, and I saw him again that summer. We played soccer together that summer, we played rugby again that winter.
The research results we have so far with Cimtech have been very encouraging. We have been able to demonstrate that we can influence the healing of critical size defects, as well as upregulate the in vivo response of autograft, and we've also been able to show that we can have an effect on spinal fusion, and so there are a number of potential opportunities where we can apply this treatment therapy.
The research at Cimtech is based on Cook Island traditional medicines. Initially focused on bone, we also looked at the effect of regenerating other tissues, including the skin. The skin regenerative technology immediately had interest in applications within the medical profession, such as bones and wound healing and hair regeneration, other dermatological conditions, but certainly it raised our interest in anti-aging or skin repair, and this led us on to the concept of using it for cosmetics.
Cimtech is a natural products company. It has a range of opportunities. Those opportunities are based on the scientific platforms. One is in skin and one is in bone. Those platforms allow us to build a company that has opportunities in cosmetics, cosmeceuticals, in dermatology and in bone regeneration. So the company is very much focused on trying to commercialize all those opportunities internationally.
Cimtech cosmetic skincare range incorporates traditional Cook Island Maori plants. The plants will be harvested and grown in the traditional way, and Cimtech will observe biodiversity and sustainability principles in the processing of those plants. We have taken notice of the various fragrances that you experience when you go to the Cook Islands, so we have incorporated flowery and spicy fragrances, oil with essential oils, so it fits our natural product. So we're creating a real product from real plants for real people, and I think it is important for women nowadays to understand and appreciate those principles, and they look out for it.
Cimtech's main potential is very much in its products and its applications. We are going to focus initially on the cosmetic side. We've recruited a pretty significant team that has had some great success in the industry.
The whole team is very motivated and excited to realize the potential of Cimtech.
Well, there are a number of things that are different about Cimtech. First and foremost, it has some significant science. But in addition to that, it has a great story.
It has both the history and the involvement of the traditional leaders and the traditional medicines, and it has the science behind it, which is backed by a world-leading university and world-class researchers.
The vision for Cimtech is to build a great international company. We've got so many wonderful opportunities, and they can all be taken into international markets.